Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's do English. The poem A Legend of the Northern Land. So in our previous class we have finished 3 stanza. It's all about the northern land, which is near the North Pole, where days are very long and the nights are also very long. Sometimes the days are very long and sometimes the nights are very long. There all the children, they know the story because it is being told by their parents, by their grandparents, and this story which is told orally is called a legend. A legend, some stories which is told orally, and according to that legend of the northern land, here we begin stanza 4, stanza 5, stanza 6. According to that legend of the northern land, once what happened when the good Saint Peter, saint means I have given you the meaning over here. Saint means a holy man, preaching means religious teaching, cottage means a small wooden house, bake, cook dry without oil and water, hearth, a fireplace or an oven, you can say. Now here, these are the meanings from this pre-stanza. Once means once upon a time, when the good Saint Peter, the holy man, he was a good man, quite old, lived in the world below. Lived in the world below means lived in the villages, in the towns. He doesn't have a fixed home. He keeps on moving around, teaching religious things, text, religious matter. He used to teach. He was a holy man. So, lived in the world below. Lived in the world below means lived in the towns, villages. He kept on moving from one village to another village, one town to another town. And walked about. Walked about means he never stayed in one place. He used to move around preaching. Preaching means teaching religious views, religious teachings. Preaching just as he did, according to the legend, the holy man, the saint, his name was Saint Peter. His name was Peter, and he used to go around the villages, towns, teaching religious things, religious teachings. He used to go around, and we know that he was a holy man. He came to a door of a cottage after a long walk, after a long movement or teaching in the villages, in the towns. He came to a door of a small cottage, of a small wooden house. He came to the door. The day was very dark. It was getting evening, and he was tired and hungry. So he came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth. Traveling round the earth means he was traveling, and from various places he was going from one place to another, and he traveled all the time. He moved all the time. Travel means he moved all the time. And where a little woman was making cakes in that cottage, he came to the door and knocked at the door, and he could see through the door the fat old woman was making a cake inside the house, the hearth. The Peter could see the oven from the door, and he looked inside. The woman was making a cake, making cakes. Where the little woman was making cakes, Saint Peter saw from the door. He was tired, he was hungry, and he wanted to rest for the night. He wanted to spend the night over there. So he knocked at the door, and baking them on the hearth. The little old lady was baking cakes on the hearth, on the fireplace. Saint Peter saw from the door. and being faint with fasting. You see that. Being faint. Faint means to lose sense. He was so hungry and tired. He nearly fainted. He was almost fainted with fasting. Fasting, you know it very well. To go on without food. That's called fasting. To spend the day without food. That is also called fasting. So for many days he had not eaten. For so many days he had not eaten. He kept on moving from one place to another place, teaching religious things. So for the day was almost done. What does that mean? The day was almost done means it was getting evening. It was getting late in the evening. It was getting quite dark. The day was gloomy and it was getting dark. He needed some place to rest. So he was hungry and tired and he needed a place to rest, spend the night. He asked her from the door. He knocked at the door and asked the lady. He asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single piece. So the Saint Peter, he knocked at the door, called the woman, came at the door, and Saint Peter told her everything. I have been walking for a long time and for many days I have not eaten anything. Would you please give me a piece of cake? Since you are making so many cakes, would you please give me one cake so that I can satisfy my hunger? What did the old lady reply? What did she say? We'll do in our next class. Another 3 stanza we'll do in our next class. Today we have done 3 stanza. It's very simple, you go through it. And here I have written the meaning over here. See here, meaning saint means a holy man. Preaching means religious teaching, that is called teaching, preaching. Cottage means a small wooden house. And bake means to cook without oil and water. Cook dry. Hearth means a fireplace or an oven. So according to that, you go through that. And in our next class, we'll do another 3 stanzas. There are many stanzas. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and stay safe. Keep on going through the online portal regularly so that you will not miss your lessons. That's all for today. Thank you very much.